This video shows how to use the Canvas Accessibility Checker to make sure that your tables are set up properly for accessibility purposes. It's important to remember that tables are not intended for layout, but instead for presenting information in a tabular manner. To enable the Accessibility Checker in Canvas, select the Edit button for a page, and then select the icon labeled Check Accessibility. If the page has a table, Canvas will check to make sure that it has a caption, which this one does, as well as identified headers. In this particular example, the headers are the first column. Those are the headers for each set of information. So select that option and then select Apply. And in this example, the balloons indicate that the Canvas Accessibility Checker has not detected any accessibility issues. Please remember that the Canvas Accessibility Checker does not check for linked items nor for files inside Canvas.